Marissa asks, do you think my child has a reading problem? Well, Marissa, here's my advice for you. We have a free quick guide called Signs of a Reading Problem, and I'd recommend that you start there. Some of the issues that we look at are, is your child able to sound out words? Does your child guess at words instead of sounding them out? Does your child lose his or her place on the page, skip lines, or reread lines? The checklist goes into more detail. If your child does show some of the signs listed on the checklist, I want to reassure you, these problems can be overcome. Reading problems can stem from a number of different causes. Auditory processing disorder, ADHD, dyslexia, and even vision problems. Now, it is possible that your child doesn't have an issue at all. Sometimes a child is labeled with a reading issue, but the real problem is that he hasn't been taught in a way that he can learn. Some kids naturally pick up reading with very little instruction, but many children need direct, systematic instruction for reading success. Other times, kids just aren't ready to read yet. If that's the case, it can be helpful to do pre-reading activities to help them prepare for reading. We have a lot of preschool activities on our blog. Keep in mind that learning to read takes time, and in many cases, repetition and review for the child to experience success. He might need to see a word a few dozen times before he recognizes the word by sight. Check out our free resources to help you get the tools you need to teach your child to read. If you have any questions or need any help at all, leave a message in the email box below or give us a call anytime. I think I have smoke on my glasses from
Oh no. Alright, I'll do that again.